Hola a todos! Welcome to Jane and John YouTube channel and welcome to Huacachina. Oli, mis amigos, ¿cómo están? Así es, for today's travel vlog, we will take you to Huacachina, an oasis in the middle of the desert. We will also have a good look of the desert by riding a buggy and with gushing adrenaline. Let's also experience sandboarding with so much anticipation. And let's watch the marvelous sunset here in Huacachina. So watch until the end of this video to see more of this amazing oasis. We started our day very early. Huacachina is located in the city of Ica, more or less a 5-hour drive from Lima. You can just reach Huacachina by private car or by bus. Did you know Huacachina is South America's only desert oasis that's built around a serene lake? Huacachina is a beautiful oasis formed by the emergence of underground water, which gave life to beautiful vegetation such as palm trees, eucalyptus, and warangos. While Peru may be best known for its Andean landscapes, around 10% of the country is actually made up of sandy coastal desert. Now you know! We rode a bus in order to visit Huacachina and arrive at the bus terminal. At the terminal, you can see a lot of mototaxis outside. We rode a mototaxi that's approximately 10 minutes ride to the oasis, and while we are approaching, you can already see the beautiful desert. For each visitor, a ticket is necessary before entering the area. While you might observe most people have a tour and came in group, you can really visit Huacachina via DIY. Though you will be confused and sometimes lost, but that's what makes it an adventure. The first thing we did was ride this buggy. If you are an adrenaline junkie, this ride is without a doubt a must for you. As much as my videos are concerned, it really did not do justice to the view that will make your heart stop. Nadyo area nga lalom, kaayo unya ka nang murag mo dive na ang sakyanan. Ay, mura laging mabilin akong kalag. What I thought was, if my video cannot record those deep areas, what I will do is record our reactions. So, let's watch this. The view was amazing. I wouldn't have thought that there was a desert here in Peru. Abi na kog naara nis Dubai, Middle East, mga inana. This country never ceases to amaze me. This was by far an extreme adventure together with my husband. When we reached this secluded area of the desert, and another first for me, sandboarding! I was so afraid to try, but my adventurous self also said, try because opportunities won't knock twice. Unsa daw? Dili bitaw. Ni-try ko, oy, ako pa ba? Of course, akong bana ang nauna. Dapat same sa iya ang mahitabo. Mag-stop sa first slide aron dili mo diretso-diretso sa ubos. Let's watch this! But the unexpected happened to me. Mauni ang nahitabo sa ako ha. Play video! Goy, kay ni dire-diretso man kay ako sa pinakababa, meaning dili na makasakabali kay wala na may laing dalan. Mauto, while my mind was processing, what just happened? I was just so elated that it happened that way. My husband was worried, but most of all, he was so supportive. O diba? Told you! After a fun-filled activity, my husband and I decided to climb one of the highest points to see the oasis in the whole desert in a bird's eye view. This is the beauty of DIY because you can customize your trip according to your liking. Climbing or walking on sand are a different kind of experience and always worth it when you arrive on top. The view is just breathtaking. And not to mention, it wasn't so saturated with tourists up here. After climbing the sand dunes, we ate our lunch at Kimba and ordered trio marino that has arroz con mariscos, ceviche, and causa de mariscos. Buenazo. 10 de 10. Before 6 p.m., you can also enjoy watching the sunset. This is also another level of sunset watching in the middle of the desert. Huacachina Oasis is surrounded by hotels and restaurants, which you can also roam around. Finally, at dinner, we ate at a tiki bar. The place was Instagrammable. We ate pesto pasta and fish and chips. Riquísimo. This concludes our Ika Huacachina vlog, guys. JJ tips time! Tip number 1. Bring sun protectors such as sunglasses, caps, and sunscreen. Tip number 2. Check the weather and dress appropriately because in the morning it's scorching hot and in the evening it's freezing cold. Tip number 3. Always hydrate. Tip number 4. If you want to ride a boogie, buy directly to the boogie driver. In that way, you can save more. Tip number 5. Wear shoes rather than sandals. But as a Filipina, Crocs will do. Last tip. Take care of your belongings and be safe. JJ Expenses time! These are the breakdown of our expenses. Thank you everyone who watched until the end. I hope this helps on your next trip to Peru. If you have questions, I'll try my best to answer. Just leave a comment below. Dale like and subscribe. And don't forget to always have faith, hope, and love. Dios les bendiga a todos. Nos vemos pronto. Ciao amigos. Hasta la próxima.